In this video, I'll show you guys how to make text animations like me on After Effects. In one of my recent edit, I used some text animations which I never used, so I'm gonna teach you how to make text animation like that. So first, get ready with your clip and then add a new text. Now type whatever you have. I'll just type in what I used in my edit, and then you can change your text however you like. You can see what fits best. Okay, so and now add. Now click this arrow and then animate, position, scale, rotation and tracking. And now in animator, add selector and expression, because we are doing this in expression. Okay, now follow my values. For position we'll go -40 and 20. Okay, then for scale is going to be 0. For rotation is going to be -30. You can actually change these values upon like how you want. Then tracking, it should be around -40 or something. We'll go for 30, -30. Okay, now it's looking like this. Now what I want you to do is click on this amount arrow and this expression amount. You see this? First go to my description. I'll post a link for this expression. Okay, now copy this expression, paste it here, and that's it. You have the text animation. And now if you want to change like how fast you want it to be, go on duration. I have 0.25. You can obviously keep it 2 or 1 depending on you. Like 0.1 is fast enough. Okay, that's it. And you can always just change its position to like I had it here, so I'm going to like this and then a zoom. Yeah, that's it. Add some deep glow camera movement. You have that. Okay, and the same for like if you want the other text, it was belief, I guess. Can change its like here and then change its position, scale, and there you have it. Yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you all learned something, and if you did, then make sure to subscribe, like and comment on the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.